Hey team, Trent Nethery here with just a quick update for you. We're making just a really quick, easy change to the way we run slides on Sundays. It's super simple. As you know, before services start, we always are running our keynote slides, which is right here on our playlist. At the beginning of our keynote slides, we have this logo picture. This picture is also, you can access it with this button that says logo. So during the service, whenever we might have a black screen, we're always going to be using this logo. For example, during a typical service, we'll start with worship, we'll have our backgrounds going and our slides. As we run through worship, we continue to change the backgrounds, but then we switch and we go to our announcements. Instead of simply going to a black screen in between our announcement slide photos, we're going to click our logo button. And that way we have our logo, welcome to the house. We're constantly welcoming new people into our church. When Pastor Stephen comes up for his message, if we have some sort of series slide, we can go ahead and fire that, and then we'll move through the message. Obviously, during the message, you don't have to have this logo up. You can just keep it black so it's not distracting. But towards the end of service, we go back into worship. We have the backgrounds up. At the end of worship, during the challenge, we have a new playlist. To find this new playlist, we'll type Post Service Challenge. Go ahead and drag it in. And here we have some slides for our post-service. So always we want to click our logo, make sure that's up. The person doing our challenge will say something like, don't forget to sign up for life groups, or don't forget to download our app. And in between those slides, make sure we're always going to our logo, which I've always placed right here. And it is always going to be up on your toolbar under logo. When service is over, you can just go back to the keynote slides and go ahead and run those. And that's it. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.